Guys, I'm fixing to take you on a video walking tour of the Vitality at Sea Fitness Center here on the Allure of the Seas. This is on deck 6 forward. Well, it's a port day. There shouldn't be too many people in here to disturb, but we'll check it out and show you exactly what it looks like. Looks like they got a lot of these bikes. Oh wow, it's a lot bigger than I thought. And free weights. Wow, a lot of machines. This place is big. I didn't realize it was this big. And look at all these treadmills. I'm sure everybody knows what they are. I don't use it, but maybe you do. You actually get on, look out at sea while you walk on the treadmill. Like free weights and benches. It's like a lot of machines that I don't know what is. If you see something you like, just leave me a comment. Now look at all these machines. Kind of do a spin. Yeah, I had no idea this was this big. You got treadmills on this side. We're in Cox and Hole Rotan today. Stand and walk, look out at the ocean or the port. Like they got some lockers up there. Well, make one little swing through there. This is where we came in. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little video walking tour of the fitness center here on the Allure of the Seas. Hey, if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out my other cruise videos coming up on my end screen. Till next time, happy cruising.